Today we have a 2013 Mercedes C250 with the M271 motor with the W204 chassis, so you can pretty much work on that if it's not the same vehicle. So we're going to replace the air filter here. So first thing we're going to do is get the air trunk out the way. You can use a flathead or number 7 and go ahead and just take this clamp and just kind of push it back. After that, we're going to need a T25 to work on opening the case. Okay guys, so I didn't remove this air trunk. It's kind of stiff, and if you saw from one of my other videos, these actually tend to break around here, so I didn't want to pull too much and do something here, but I loosened it up and took out the 3 T25s, 1, 2, and 3, and just kind of slightly lifted up and pulled back or to the left that way, right side of the car, and you can see the air filter here. So pretty much we don't have to really do anything else. Let's just get a little pick in here or something, a flathead, and we're going to pry this out. Not really pry, but just kind of get an area if I can grab it and just pull it straight out, and then we'll just slide our new one in. And just be sure when you're putting it, reinstalling, there are little points in there, as you can see, where my middle or ring finger is right here. This needs to go into the groove right down there, and on that side as well, to this portion of the case, so that it sits evenly, and so pretty much let me get this out and then we'll line everything up and close it back up. Okay, so I just shoved a pick in here just so I can pull it outward. So now you can see the air filter, the old one. So all I'm gonna do is just kind of lift this to the side a little bit and just work it out. So if I'm able to do it with one hand, y'all can definitely do it with both. So it gives us a better view at the bottom there, where I was talking about where the bottom of the casing there has to meet, just like a hinge type system. So pretty much just make sure that lines up right in there before you close it up. So you see it goes all the way in, kind of work it closer together before you line all these up and close it up. So let's slide the new one in. So as you see, I've replaced the filter. All I did now was just push it downward into that groove, and you see if I close it up, the bolts all line up. So go ahead and tighten this and we'll be pretty much done. So let's go ahead and get this back together. Okay guys, everything closed up now and pretty much done with the air filter. Now one thing, if you do it this way and have a problem with this front one going down, what I did have to do is come over here and just kind of lift up on this whole casing here. Pretty much, I mean, you really could just remove it all. It's just held in with some grommets down there. So this is really the part that gives you issue for me. And like in the past, this is broken here when you try to mess with this. I didn't want to bother. So that's how I pretty much did it. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.